Hey guys, just want to get a quick video out to you guys today since this sale is going off on this compressor combo on January the 31st. Until then it's $199 plus tax at Lowe's hardware store, and if you have the Lowe's card you get an additional 5% off, so the total all-in purchase is just over $200 for this kit. So right now I'm going through the close-ups. You see the compressor has built-in regulator, so there's two gauges there and two couplings. The hose and the tools and the air tank all have couplings already that come with the kit. Most air tanks are only 3-gallon. This one is 6-gallon and rated for a max PSI of 150. Again, your normal operating pressure is usually around 80 to 90 PSI for nail guns and those type of things. All of these of the pin, brad, and finish nailer have safety typically on the end where the business end where the nail comes out. However, due to the small size of the pin nailer, you see I'm holding it there, you see the trigger, it has the safety built into that. There's actually two levers, so it'll take 2 fingers to operate that. Like I said, the brad and the finish nailer have it on the end, so you have to be contacting the surface before you can pull the trigger. Let's see, the only thing that doesn't come with this kit was some sample brads and nails and pin nails. Those are, you can buy them on Amazon, or the box in the opening image showed the different gauge sizes. Don't have those readily in front of me right now, but you can get those usually around $10 to $20 a package, which comes usually with an assessment or a assortment rather of different sizes that get you started. But nominal cost, maybe a little up front, but again, nominal cost if just to get a cross assortment so you can actually get started, and then per nail, very cheap once you get your application determined and buy what you need. Alright, that's it for us today, guys. 365 Woodworks, and my name is Chris. We appreciate you joining us, and we're working with some new video editing software, learning it. So until next time, see you.